How to add music to video in Picsart. Want to make your video pop with music? Let's add a soundtrack in Picsart. First, upload your video and go to the Music tab in the editor. Browse through Picsart's built-in audio library or upload your own music file. Preview tracks by clicking the play icon. On selected, drag and drop the music into your timeline. Adjust the volume, duration, and fade in or out effect using the settings below the track. When your audio lines up perfectly with the video, click export to save and share it. What kind of vibe do you go for? Upbeat, cinematic, or chill? Let me know in the comments below. Use royalty-free music if you are sharing publicly to avoid copyright issues. And that's how you can add music to video in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.